Right, I just thought I'd put this bit on the beginning of the video. This is the Grand Alcove Hotel. Now I don't know why I'm doing this, because I've just been in to ask if I can just look around one of the rooms, and I got a big no-no, whereas I've actually done it before. So if you see 12-hour stay, pay as low as 360 pesos a night and 470 pesos for like the day 24/7 check-in. I'm going to show you the difference from during the day until we get to the evening. Now I looked at another channel, which I don't normally do, but it said Naga City, Camarines Sur, so I was interested to have a look, and it says a walk round, and literally that's all it was. He never said anything, and I looked at the other videos and he doesn't say anything. All these videos are just him walking around different places. Hat off to him, you know, he goes all over the Philippines in different places, so I guess that's why he's got lots of subscribers. Now the walk round Naga, it got over 60,000 views and he didn't say anything. So maybe I'm thinking I should just shut my mouth and just walk around Naga. So just out of interest and as a little experiment, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to walk around Naga later on when the sun's going down, because it's a better ambience, and see what response I get. Anyway, this is in the morning in Naga. Now you can see it's reasonably busy. It's a Wednesday. That doesn't mean anything, to be honest. I love Plaza. You can see there's one or two people not wearing masks. They're not enforcing the mask mandate at the moment, and I understand that the president is considering an executive order, so we don't have to wear the masks outside. Now whether that happens or not, I don't know, but it would be great. It would be a step forward, wouldn't it? That'd be made up. So pay attention where I'm going to take you now and how different it is at night, because everybody comes out the woodwork at night and this place comes alive. Now my understanding is this isn't allowed during the day, but it could quickly move if any authorities come, I guess. Now at night this is full of little stalls selling food, and it's really good. Now the stalls before the place got done up was inside here, look. So Plaza's different, but it's still lovely. So this is now, and I'll show you after. Good evening and welcome to Naga City, Camarines Sur Bicol. And we're in Plaza as we were before. You can see over there is stalls that wasn't there earlier on my earlier video. Just look at how this place comes alive in the evening. Now I was just going to go this side to show you what I showed you earlier on, but a lot more activity, but I'm going to go around the other side and show you as well. Look at all the people here now, and there's going to be more and more and more turn up as the night goes on. Excuse me, like I said earlier, I'm going to do a walk round. I'm going to try and keep my mouth shut like this other channel and see how many views we get, but more importantly see what the view duration is. my favorite stalls here, nuts. I love the nuts. There you go, guys. Look at that. Very nice. So I'll show you the other side, because this wasn't operating earlier on. This fruit stall was, but the rest wasn't. So let's just show you down here. And of course there's food stalls on the other side now. There was a few there earlier on, but not as many as this. It all comes alive at night and the evening. There you go, guys. Gotta stop saying guys. I'm working on it. It's not working though. So why would you want to come to the Philippines? I don't know. Your money goes a lot further in the Philippines than in the West. You could probably enjoy a better retirement, a more comfortable retirement in the Philippines than what you can in the West. Assuming you don't want to live a massive Western lifestyle, because unfortunately if you want to live like you live in the West, it'd probably cost you more money here, not less. So bear that in mind. But there's no reason you can't come to the Philippines and, even on a small pension, get a maid to look after you, because it doesn't cost a lot. It only costs you about 4,500 pesos a month for a maid, believe it or not. Although I've changed my mind regards pre-existing conditions. If you have pre-existing conditions, I'm not sure, unless you've got some way of transferring insurance here, it's not really a very good idea, because if you fall sick, the medical costs here are really very high, and they won't, in a lot of cases they won't let you leave the hospital until you've paid the bill. So if you get caught short, they run you to hospital, you pay for the ambulance, and regardless of whether you got the money or not, they won't let you out till you pay them. So as you can remember, earlier on watching the first part, all this wasn't here. And you can see it's the usual Filipino food, chicken innards and what have you. The quick, that's the quail eggs. They're about 12 pesos for 3. So look how busy it is. So just look back on this morning, the first part of the video, and then have a look now. Here's the tourist police. Ooh, I know most of them. They do a great job, tourist police. Well, all the police do, but tourist police are great. So that's it, guys. I've said guys again. That's it. I'm going to try and keep these videos short as I can, because nobody's watching them all the way through. So from a Brit in the Philippines, in Naga City, Camarines Sur Bicol, it's goodbye. If you like this video and you'd like to become a member, we'd appreciate it, or a patron, or if you just want to give a one-off coffee, if you look below this video you'll see super thanks for as little as 25 pesos. We appreciate it, every little helps. and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this